Hi guys, so today we're gonna play on Alex's Automatic Subway. We're in line 5 right now. And we're now in Flower Street. Whoa, someone's standing on the train! Please sit down! Alright, we're now here at Maple Street. Oh, they just exited the road.
Please stand clear of the door.
Well, our next stop is Sunrise Road. We're underground! Yeah, that was the nice transition made by Alex's Automatic Sub. What? This girl is back? Okay, now we're here at Sunrise Road.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Now what happened to this train? It looks slanted right now. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're now here at North Avenue. So for now, bye guys. Oh my god, it also hit the wall like in line 4.